Morning, Holly. Good morning, Jane. We got one mow so far. And we need to sweep up the cut grass. But I'm out here working on some plants, and I gave Archie one of his special peanut butter bones. It costs $1, and it's individually wrapped, and it's like really special. So I gave it to him, and he came out, and he buried it right there. Right there. What's there? What'd you do? He's been very good at not digging holes, but apparently he has to dig a hole to find his bone. Is your bone in there? Where's your new bone? Where's your peanut butter? Where's that peanut butter bone? Did you lose it? Where is it? Where's your bone? Where is it? It's gonna be all yucky. Where's your bone? It's in there.